Okay, I found the fault where it leaks the liquid, and I think I have broken my radiator. I broke this windshield wiper thing 6 months ago. Everything came out because there was too high curb which I drove over, and today I hit something on the highway here and maybe it cracked then a little bit more. It had leaked a little bit before, but how to fix it? I cut the top hose and move it from here to there, so now I have no cooling, so I have to keep the inside temperature a little bit hotter and blow hot air inside and drive windows open, but I think I'm able to continue the journey. I had to even pull out this cover to see what's the problem. Okay, if you have to do this radiator taken out fix on the road and outside temperature is over 20, max speed is 100 you can drive. The fan is high temperature and max fan, and water temperature is between 102 and 105. In the uphills it goes to 104, 105, and then in the downhill it goes down to 102, so you cannot drive any faster,